Hi everyone, I'm hoping that you all are fine and your studies are going well. So guys, finally CMA Institute has released the notification or instruction for CMA Foundation 5th September 2021. Okay, and you can download your admit card from the institute website. Simply write ICMI admit card and you can download the admit card for upcoming exam. Okay, and now and CMA inter and final students should also continue your study. Do not think about whether exam will March or December. Okay, will be no question related with this. So I will read one by one all the instruction related with the foundation course. So guys, please take care and please read these instructions carefully. After watching this video, you have any doubt, you can ask me. And ICMI admit card, you can directly download your admit card. Okay, all the passkey, all the detail will come. Passkey will come one day before your examination in your SMS or in your email ID, registered mail ID. So please take care your SMS or your email ID. Students are requested to check their email, SMS, and website of the institute regularly for update and notification related to the examination. Although from time to time I will update, so do not worry about on this. Student will receive examination link and relevant detail in their email ID or their SMS, their registered number or their registered email ID. Student can also use examination link as provided below, also provided by link, or one day before the examination you will also receive the examination link. Keep your identification number, registration number, your date of birth, your passkey, other detail. Okay, please note down these detail in one paper, and whenever your exam will start, so this sheet. Okay, so please keep before starting examination your registration number, your identity card, and you can also bring one Aadhaar card or your one identity card like identity card, like your Aadhaar card. Student must log in 10 a.m. Okay, so please 9:45 for first session and 2 p.m. for second session. For every exam, 10 to 12 first session, 12 to 4 p.m. second session, there will be two paper, 50-50 mark, 100 mark MCQ questions and 200 marks. You can scroll any question at any point of time. Okay, you can jump from question number 1 to question number 51, question number 51 to question number 17, question number 17 to question number 20. Anytime you can jump to any question. The section in each session represent paper as per syllabus. It is highly recommended to use the same system which you have used in your model examination. जो मॉडल एग्जामिनेशन में आप लोगों ने लैपटॉप या मोबाइल यूज किया था, कोशिश करना उसी का ही यूज करें. अगर नहीं हो पा रहा किसी कारण से, अब इश्यू आ रहा है उसमें, तो आप कोई सा भी यूज कर सकते हैं, बट ट्राई करना उसी का ही यूज करें. Keep sufficient power electricity backup. The institute will not responsible for any electricity or net connection problem, power failure. So arrange backup solution like UPS, inverter, generator, etc. Fully charge your laptop or your mobile. Students are allowed to use non-programmable calculator. Normal calculator will be allowed. Pen, pencil, and blank page for rough work in fundamental accounting and fundamental business mathematics. Okay, so non-programmable calculator is not allowed. Means programmable calculator you cannot use. Simple calculator you can easily use. Students are allowed to use water bottle during the examination, but do not keep it in front of camera. You should show your bottle, but do not, you can see that so that you need not to go here and there. Use faster reliable internet connection. Do not use the internet connection which frequently disconnect or having any other issue. In case of internet failure, do not panic. Okay, you can again restart. Okay, but time is restricted to you, so please use reliable connection. Students should avoid use of common internet network. Your other family people are also using the same internet connection. Do not do this. The institute is not responsible for any losses due to unavailable of time, disconnection of internet, electricity, hacking of email ID, lack of proper knowledge of computer, internet, misuse of email ID, misuse of your login key by someone, delay in login, and other condition. So please take care yourself. All other exam server and backup server will be active for the examination. Okay, so institute is saying that institute is totally ready. There is no problem from the institute side. Okay, so please take care yourself. Institute IT team is totally ready for this. Scheduled, auto scheduled online examination. Okay, your exam timetable will not be postponed. What you need to do before the examination: prepare your workspace. Okay, so please prepare your good workspace. You must be in a private location with a clean desk area. You must also remove unauthorized books, materials, any other paper. Please ensure your family member, friend, teacher is not around your examination hall or room. Check your webcam, microphone in your laptop, PC, that all these are working properly, or mobile. everything like camera, microphone is working properly. Okay, so please check. I can assure that those successfully submitted their model examination and they prepared model examination, those candidates will not face problem. And expecting that everyone has applied for model examination. Check your internet connection with the availability of data limit. Ensure it is enough. In case you are using mobile to appear in the examination, keep your mobile on do not disturb mode. Keep your laptop, PC, notebook, mobile ready for examination. Check system requirement for online assessment through the online link given for online examination. You can check. I am hoping that you have also checked in the earlier model examination. Download and install the online assessment tool before starting of the examination. Depend on your device. Okay, and whenever the password required, then you need to write CMA 2021. Enter your identification, registration number, date of birth, passkey and other detail to log in into examination screen. Other keep. Okay, so you need to keep in one page. You should contain all the details. In case your internet connection is not working or if you are facing any problem, immediately call to your invigilator or your proctor. Okay, and they can you will allow to 10:30 or in 2 p.m. session 2:30 p.m. you can allow. Your photo will be captured through the webcam, mobile cam in the examination screen. Upload your institute ID card, admit card, identity card like voter ID, DL, driving license, passport, Aadhaar card, etc. You will receive your proctor invigilator contact detail before starting the examination. If you face any problem, immediately connect with them. If you want to go washroom or anything else, so call with the invigilator. Without invigilator, do not move from your seat. If the exam is interrupted, the candidate must not press you should not press any button. Immediately call to the invigilator proctor. Please keep your mobile in front nearby your examination. You can say that your seat. During the examination, you will have to complete your examination within 2 hours in each session. 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 session. At the time of examination, you will strictly under surveillance. You must maintain the examination rules. Okay, there is no negative marking. The test is webcam. Okay, from this you have to check your details. Do not press anytime your refresh or backspace. Student must keep patience and try to complete all the 100 multiple questions within time frame allotted for the examination. Student must not stop the session forcefully. If logged out within exam time due to power or internet failure, then candidate may return to it. Okay, you can again re-log in. You will resume to the same window. If you already complete 50 questions, so it is already completed. Do not worry if you face any problem. Student must ensure that they have attempted both the paper and all the question before pressing the submit button. Okay, please ensure that you have completed all the paper before submitting. Once you submit it, then it is submitted, then nothing will be again happen. Okay, so please be careful before clicking submitting button. The proctor invigilator will monitoring your live exam. Okay, so do not involve in the cheating or anything else. Okay, otherwise you can say that you will be terminated for the 1, 2 or more than 3 attempts. Leaving the view of the webcam during the exam is not allowed except for some urgency or emergency. If you are facing any problem, connect with the invigilator. Do not leave your sheet. Reading the question aloud will not be permitted. Okay, the proctor invigilator may ask you to remove any unauthorized material, mobile phone or anything else, so you should follow the instruction tell by your invigilator or proctor. Do not use earphone or headphone. Okay, it is not allowed. After the exam, candidate submission will be visible on the screen itself and save the page for reference. Do not appear for the exam before or after the exam time. The institute reserve the final decision on the examination. Okay, if you face problem or your exam is interrupted, what you need to do after that? If the candidate exam get closed by mistake, candidate can simply again log in. Okay, your exam will remain the same as earlier. Answers are saved by system is in interval. If you have logged back in order to complete your exam, your prior answer will be remaining the same, so do not worry about. Reconnect to the internet and log back into the system. Follow your original instruction to access the same login page once again. Candidate can simply if you face any problem, simply again log in. Okay, your all answer will remain as saved earlier. In case you have any problem, you should connect with the proctor or invigilator, or you can also mail icmi support@qcup.com. Okay, if what will be the step? If you are using computer, laptop, desktop, I'm hoping that these kind of steps I have also discussed in model examination, and hoping that everyone should have already known about these steps. If you are using laptop, desktop, then what will be you need to do? First, check your system is compatible for the test or not. From this link, you can check. Download SAP tool, run the SAP tool. Okay. Then whenever they need password or access token, then write CMA 2021, then click start. Okay. Please close all other application. Okay. If you are giving exam in mobile phone, only Android device. Again, I am saying that iPhone is not allowed in this examination. Yeah, you cannot access, you cannot give exam with iPhone, only Android phone. Download the QCub app. Okay, whenever the password required, CMA 2021, right? Click on continue, and you can you will start your examination. Okay, and please, before starting the examination, in one paper, please write your registration number, your date of birth, and your passkey. Passkey will be, you will receive your passkey one day before the examination. Okay. So best of luck to CMA Foundation student. If you have any doubt in the comment section, you can ask me. But I am hoping that you have already prepared, or you can say that give the model examination. So now you will not face any problem. Best of luck. If you face any problem during your examination, do not hesitate, do not panic. Immediately connect with the invigilator. Okay. Still you have any doubt, you are facing any problem, you can ask me. Surely I will help you. Okay. Still you have any doubt, or you have any problem, so ICMI support @qcub.com, you can write mail. And now you can also download your admit card. So please download your admit card. Okay. And please also save sometime in the during the examination, sometime institute site is not working. So please take care, your admit card should download. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Whenever I will also get some other information or update or notification related with foundation, inter or final, surely I will update you. You have any doubt, you can ask me from my side. That's all about in this video. Bye guys.